Alright guys, welcome back to the Wagwan Tours here in Albufeira Old Town. We're just having a little walk around, show you. So this way is where Vegas bar is, just down there. We take a little walk up here. So I don't know if this ice cream shop is gone, it's coming back, but it's not really open now. There's a steakhouse up there. I don't know if you've ever been there, I've seen it quite a lot. Or the roof terrace up there. Let me try and hold my camera still. But yeah, you've got a roof terrace just there. An Italian restaurant. Homemade pizzas. You got this one here. Very nice little seating area. This little path here takes you all the way up to the top. What we do is we come back. Quickly see down the front. We'll come back up there. But yeah. This is the restaurant here with the roof terrace. So here we had a nice fish catalana. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good man. Sir. Thank you. So we had a nice fish catalana in here. Very nice. Oh, beach a little bit windy today. Everyone enjoying this house, just getting set up here. I don't know what for. Oh, skateboarding. Maybe Tony Hawks will come down. So here, everyone enjoying this house. Quite cheap price for brandy and everything. Okay, $2.50 small beer, $3.50 large, and then you've got this here. Sorry. So yeah, let's get ready. Maybe it's X Games. Always have nice things that go on down here. Other volleyball. Those other sports. What does that say on there? 2nd of April. Vanzi. Let me hold you still. So I don't know if that's focused, but that's what's coming up on the beach. They've got a big stage down there. Let's take a little walk around there. It's the Louisiana. Mi sombrero. I've never had anything from this restaurant yet. I want to try it. Obviously, I was vegan before. Vegan, whatever I was eating. They never cater for me, so I couldn't really go in these restaurants. I ate fish, I'm more pescatarian. But yeah, couldn't really go in there, but I do want to try it on my next trip. Trip prices, not too bad prices. So yeah, and this is my absolute favourite. You ever come to Albufeira and you want to get yourself a traditional fish or meat dish? Right here, fish catalana. Or you get a meat version. It's the best. Feels like it's like homemade. So you got radical setting up. Here, a lot of the skateboarders come here. They just do their little grinding along here. So that everything's getting set up ready. So this is all ready for tomorrow. We're gonna miss it tomorrow. Yeah, you got little souvenir shops. But yeah, you can see the lift going up there. Escalator up to the top. Really hot today though. Minimum 25 at the moment, 26 degrees. I'm sweating. Absolutely sweating. But rather that will be cold at home, eh? Good old England. So you got Casa Nostra, sorry. And you got Texas Grill here. Again, I ain't tried many of these places. I've had an ice cream from here, gelato. And then you've got Popcorn Man here, but he's not dressed up today. So we're gonna stay to the sunshine. So yeah, got pier beer corners, just like the one in Tenerife. We've got a van coming behind me. Let me move over for the van. You can check the prices whilst I'm having a look. Also wait for the van to get past. But yeah, that's beer corner. Yeah, check the menu. I see some prices. There's the only prices though. It's strange to have a menu like that, no prices. But maybe they can put some prices one day. I think prices change every year with these places. It's difficult to just put the on the boards and then they have to keep changing it. So just down there is where you get your taxis, but if there's no Ubers or Bolts available, then you have to use them. But never use them from the airport. I've seen some horrible quotes. We ended up doing it the first time we ever came and it cost us an arm and a leg. We did it one time in when did we get to Magaluf? We had to go from the airport to Magaluf, but we was actually staying somewhere a bit more further. And that ended up costing us €80. So think about that, eh? €80. It's quite a lot of money. Just up here there's a little cafe that actually had the cheapest beer in the whole area. Let's see if it's still the cheapest. Look at that. I think it is. Happy hour. Large beer, $2.50. You don't get anywhere cheaper than this. This is the cheapest place. So check them prices. And that's till 9 PM. Maybe I should stop to get myself a beer, eh? One large beer. Kebab Albufeira, look, check that. There's a menu there as well, Kebab Albufeira. But this is the cheapest. I'm going to take a seat, I think. Wow, let me finish this video actually, let me finish the video. Keep forgetting I need to do my job first. But there, you've got a bubble tea place here. Never really had a bubble tea before. Barbers. On the right of me you've got Infinity. You've seen our videos, we've filmed loads of videos in Infinity. What we're going to do, I'm going to go around, show you just around here, outside of Infinity. So Infinity here. Got up to the roof, so you've seen our videos we've got up there. You're right. Yeah. So on this side, what is this place called? 7 Bar Disco, eh? Pasta Pizzeria on the right. Mexican on the left is not open yet. But yeah, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to end it. See, look, back here, big circle. But guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video.